Hello guys, today is September 27th and today's been big news, specifically with Elon Musk. So I'll bring up the article over here on Yahoo Finance, video not available, but Elon Musk is getting sued by the SEC and Tesla shares have plunged. So for people who don't know, Elon Musk recently put out this tweet saying, I'm considering taking Tesla private at $4.20 per share, funding secured. So this was a huge violation because it caused the stock to soar. Let me bring up the stock. This is the Tesla stock. So we go back about a month, we could see this was right when he tweeted about the shares. So what happens when you take a company private is all the public shares out there, all the ones that are trading, like, you know, old Blackberry right now, that's a public share that I own of the company. So when you take a company private, you have to buy back all those shares from shareholders, and you usually have to do it at a really, really big premium, or else you can't sell it back. So anyways, Elon Musk, going back to the tweet that out, I'm considering taking Tesla private at $4.20, funding secured. So that caused the stock to skyrocket, and then after it skyrocketed, people started coming out, people started disbelieving. And then Elon Musk came out himself saying that funding wasn't actually secured. I think that was a couple days afterwards. And originally it was a Saudi oil company that was in. Anyways, this is illegal to do because you're misleading shareholders and you cause unexpected random gain in the stock. So apparently SEC is filing a lawsuit because if you manipulate your stock that much, it is really bad. And it's led to a lot of schemes, a lot of illegal and shady information, or a lot of illegal and shady deals that were done previous in the past. So that's why this is law now. Again, I'm not a corporate lawyer, I'm not an exchange lawyer, I'm not a CFA analyst, I'm just stating what the news was. But anyway, so SEC has filed a lawsuit against Elon Musk himself. Of course, didn't actually confirm funding, and you should see what happened as this news hit. So we go back to the one day, and this was the chart. And what happens is the market closes right at 4 o'clock. It closes, or the market's open from 9:30? Yeah, 9:30 till 4 o'clock. So that's a period when people could trade. And the SEC released this announcement just at 4 o'clock. And as you could see, just skyrocketed down. 269 per share, so it's dropped about 30 points. As we can see here, it's dropped about 11%. It's kicked back up a little bit, was way down, and that's because investigators are worried. What they're looking for is they're going to try and sue them for any gains they may have had. Elon Musk actually owns majority of Tesla. He violated NASDAQ rules, like the exchange rules. Apparently you're supposed to give information at least 10 minutes prior to the public, and you give NASDAQ this notice so they know that when they're on their exchange, what big moves may happen. But probably the biggest thing regarding this is that they're also looking to bar him from ever being a CEO again of another public company, which is pretty big, and it may actually lose him his spot on Tesla. He won't lose his shares as a shareholder, but he may no longer be the CEO. So we'll see where that goes, but it's really, really interesting. Elon Musk being such a big figure himself, and this was pretty dumb when you think about it. It's pretty obvious as a CEO, you should never promise a share price unless you're 100% certain or the company is going private, and then that way you do it in a corporate release, not a little tweet. So for a guy being as smart as Elon Musk is, this was a dumb decision. Anyways, we're gonna move away from that. We'll stay updated. We'll see what Tesla does. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. I'll do more and more updates as the SEC moves through the proceedings and the hearings. We'll also go take a look at Blackberry. So Blackberry is the one that I'm interested in. They have their Q2 earnings coming up soon. And going back into my QuestTrader account, I currently own Blackberry, and that's why I am so interested into it. If we look, we can see kind of the Blackberry stock. It's been taking a hit. It's down right now. It actually dropped 1.12% today. The reason that it dropped is I think a lot of people are adjusting their positions before the quarters. If we go back into the news article here, done by Zacks Equity Research. Blackberry is scheduled to report its second quarter fiscal 2019 earnings. Yeah, people are actually thinking that Blackberry is going to beat its earning estimates. I love Yahoo Finance for that. I'm so used to typing weed stocks right now. We could see the earning estimates. Unless well, there you go. Good old Internet Explorer. Anyways, it doesn't really matter, but we can see its earnings estimates, but they're thinking that Blackberry is actually going to beat its current estimates for the quarter, which would be great. Blackberry, as of late, they've kind of been hit, they've been battered. Blackberry's pretty much been battered for the past 10 years, I think, ever since their phones just stopped being bad. But Blackberry is a completely different company than what it was. They have a huge focus nowadays in cyber security, which ignore that page. Ignore. Yahoo Finance is just bad. Anyways, so Blackberry has a very specific niche in corporate security, corporate cybersecurity, and Blackberry still develops some of the industry-leading cybersecurity for that. They're a great company for that, so that's really, really big play, and I think it's really, really valuable as we go more and more technology. I think there'll be another huge trend for 2019 cybersecurity. And Blackberry has established it. I know with the Canadian government, we still use a lot of Blackberry, and a lot of enterprises in Canada still use Blackberry security. Can they expand more to the US? Yes, they need to, but if they could offer that security and that level of protection, it's needed nowadays, and it's still a huge marketplace because any company is willing to pay. Think about the Equifax hack and all the companies that have been hacked in just 2018. It's huge. Hackers are always looking for opportunity, and Blackberry's positioned itself as one of the leaders. So anyways, I'm just rambling, but I think Blackberry will have strong quarters. We will follow up again tomorrow and see how the quarter went. Maybe my portfolio goes up, maybe I lose a fuck ton of money. Who knows, but we'll see. Anyways, guys, so that's September 27th, super short today. I'll upload this, have it all done, and then we'll follow up maybe tomorrow. I may be busy, but if anything comes up, I'll do a quick video. I'll do a little phone video, whatever, I'll catch it. I also put in my Questrade referral code. If you guys ever sign up for trading, please use the Questrade, and remember, subscribe and like if you enjoy this. I'm going to bring out daily finance news on the weekdays. I'm going to plan some more videos on the weekends, but I haven't fully figured that out yet, but we'll figure it out. Anyways, guys, thanks so much, and have a good one.